Hi, this is a demo of LiveProof by EYN. In this video, we'll demonstrate what we call the movement-based approach with audible sound. We'll show both how LiveProof can detect a genuine user, but also a fraudulent user. First, we'll start by a genuine user. Let's go. As you can see, LiveProof has successfully identified me as genuine with 0.99 probability. Now, I'm going to show how LiveProof can detect a fraudulent user who's using a phone containing a video pretending that he's me. Let's go. As we can see, LiveProof has successfully identified the replay attack with 0.99 probability.